This image cost $280. This one cost $180. And this one cost $300. You can do this as many times as you want because you don't need a camera. You won't even have to take any images yourself. And you don't need to have social media followers. I'll show you how to do it in less than 10 minutes with a free tool. It's a website that we've never used before, yet it's generating hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let's return to the video now. So first, there's the website where you can get the work done in less than 10 minutes. But this isn't the website where you can make money. But it is a platform where you can get those images done in less than 10 minutes and make hundreds of dollars with the second website, where people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars. So before we get to that website, I'm going to show you how to make these images since it has been paying people a lot of money for them. So first of all, let's start with how you can get those images done for absolutely free. Simply go to Adobe Spark to get started. To get there, simply type spark.adobe.com into your browser. This is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of various templates that will tell you simply drag and drop to create professional-looking designs. You can go to Adobe Spark to learn more about the numerous types of designs you can create with this tool. But what can you do with it? You may make a social media graphic by taking a photo and using design filters or animation to make it stand out from the crowd and produce a high-quality design. They have other features like creating web pages and short videos, but that's not what we'll focus on. Instead, we'll be focusing on images that we create in minutes, share instantly, and then get paid with the website that I'll share with you in a minute. Even if you don't have a laptop or computer, you can still do this with your phone because the app is accessible for both Android and iOS, so you can do it while lying in bed and just holding your phone. So go to Adobe Spark and click on Get Started Now to create a free account. You may sign up using your Gmail or Adobe ID or with a Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Log in once you've decided which account you'd want to create, and you'll be redirected to a brand new account right away. You'll be able to view all of the different themes from this page once you register a new Adobe Spark account. You have all these different graphic designs that are almost completely done for you. And all you have to do is change the text, and it becomes your own unique design, from which you can make hundreds of dollars with the website that I will share with you, so that you can create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, print presentations, slideshows, and branded images. Even flyers, ebook covers, and book covers are all possible. For example, if I want to use the flyer design template, I'll simply click on it to demonstrate how simple it is. All I have to do now is wait for them to move my design so that I may fully customize my template. All you have to do is double-click on the text and fill in whatever you want. Let's assume I type in everyday money and then click Done. This image will now change. On the right-hand side, you can also adjust the colors, font, and size. Everything is completely customizable. You can use various shapes, shadows, animations, and other effects. Then on the left-hand side, you can choose from a variety of templates if you don't like this one. For example, if I prefer this one, I can click on Create from this template, wait for it to load, and then edit it. It's extremely easy to use since it's already 99% done for you. All you have to do now is edit the text and save it to your computer. Let's see. I'll enter everyday money once again and then click Done. Now it should look like this. If I want to change the background image, I can do so by clicking Replace or Delete Background or adding additional filters to my background. It's incredibly basic and easy to use, and you can make all kinds of different designs using those templates. Once you've finished designing, you may either click the download option right here, which will instantly save this image to your computer in high quality. You can do it in the same way if you want the watermark to be removed. You can use any screenshot software you have on your computer, such as a snipping tool to screenshot this image. Simply remove the bottom watermark and you're good to go. And that's how easy it is to create those designs with Adobe Spark. Because those templates are nearly complete, It takes less than 10 minutes. Alright, now let me show you several websites that will pay you hundreds of dollars for your Adobe Spark creations. DesignCrowd.com is a website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for designs that you can make with Adobe Spark. This is over DesignCrowd.com, where you can get paid for all the different logo designs, business cards, web design, flyer designs, and graphic designs that you can make in less than 10 minutes using Adobe Spark. And let me show you this. If I go to this designer's category and select graphic designers, for example, you will see individuals from all over the world generating money. If we take logo designers as an example, we can see that they are making even more money. There is a lot of money to be made with DesignCrowd.com, which is a great website that pays a decent amount for designs that can be completed in less than 10 minutes. So if we go over to the job section right here, we can see that you can create all of those designs and get paid for it. You can create anything from business cards to flyers, posters, postcards, web design, Facebook designs, YouTube designs, Twitter designs, everything that we saw on the previous website. Everything that you can do in less than 10 minutes of work with Adobe Spark. So, if you want to focus on flyer design, you can click on that and you'll be able to see different available jobs where you can submit your design and get paid. I can get paid for one single image that I sent over there for one single design that I can complete in less than 10 minutes with Adobe Spark. You can get paid for this project alone, and there will be new jobs coming in all the time. You may possibly go on to designing a banner ad, an app, icons, a Facebook design, and a YouTube design. To begin using DesignCrowd.com, simply go to the website. Click the Join for Free button right here, input your email address, make a password, and then click on Let's Go. Once you've signed up and logged into your new account, you can begin browsing all of these different tasks. When you find one that suits you, simply click on it, submit your design, and wait to see if you've made any money. Since many of you have asked me how to withdraw money from the website, I'd want to demonstrate how easy it is. So once you start earning money, go to your profile, click Profile Settings, and then on the left side, select Payouts. Then select your payment option. Enter your payment information, and that's how you can collect your profits. And that's it.